Tanzania will perform DNA tests on the rhino's remains to prove whether or not it is the carcass of one of the country's most famous animals. The Prime Minister has accused officials in the country's parks of selling John the rhino to make money, but it emerged John was dead. Now the government has set up a national commission to investigate further. Don Ashby has that story.
Well, this is an extraordinary development in one of Tanzania's more bizarre disagreements. The Prime Minister says that they will DNA test a dead rhino to ascertain whether the carcass is that of John the rhino. Now, John the rhino is famous across Tanzania because he was airlifted from South Africa and played a big part in conservation efforts by fathering so many offspring. But the Prime Minister has now accused officials of selling the rhino to a private lodge to make some money. The officials deny that and say the rhino was simply moved to stop inbreeding, but he has since died in a different place. To prove their point, they brought the rhino horns into the Prime Minister's office. Also, they thought they were proving their point because the Prime Minister has now launched a national investigation, and he says they will dig up the rhino carcass, take DNA and cross-compare that DNA to John the rhino's offspring. It is a remarkable story, and it just goes to show how dearly loved John the rhino really was. Dan Ashby, CCTV in Dar es Salaam, Tanzania.